Hello and welcome. We're standing here in front of the gates of the Munich Fair where this year's Intersolar, the world's largest trade fair for solar technology, is about to take place. Here from the 12th to the 14th June, companies and professional visitors exchange information about the innovations and trends in the solar, thermal, photovoltaic, and solar building sectors. The industry presents itself in 7 exhibition halls, which until the early morning hours seemed more like a construction site than a solar energy fair. One day before Intersolar 2008, the trade fair looks like this. The exhibitors have 76,000 square meters on which to build their stands. This year, more than 1,000 exhibitors from 40 nations will present their products and services, all from the solar technology industry. 40,000 visitors are expected. However, before it can get started, the finishing touches must be made to the stands, and while the exhibitors are getting set up, presentations are already being given in the convention rooms about subjects important to the solar sector. Indeed, the trade fair is complemented with an extensive convention and supporting program. For example, with the industry forum from PV Industries, here CEOs of the best-known companies discuss the technological development and the future of the photovoltaic market. The exhibitors are almost ready and excitedly await the start of the fair. We're almost there, to the point where we can kick off properly tomorrow morning. And we're very excited as to how this year's fair will run. You know, this is the biggest trade fair of its kind, and for us, the industry's most important meeting place. Therefore, we also want to have an impressive stand. Now, Intersolar 2008 can get started. The international solar industry's highlight of the year. When you walk through the Munich exhibition halls, new technologies are everywhere. We'll now show you some of the newest key technologies and the highlights of the first day. Day 1. The Intersolar has attracted countless professional visitors to the Munich trade fair halls, almost half of whom come from overseas. The biggest crowd puller was the thin film cell technology with different semiconductors. The relatively low costs and high quality, and above all, homogeneous optics, make them equally attractive for customers and manufacturers alike. Thin film cell technology means the use of the semiconductor silicon in another form. We start with amorphous silicon, which has a lower efficiency compared with crystalline silicon, but it has a greater development potential for the future. Also, you need only 1/100th of the raw material to produce it. For this reason, the thin film cells are 100 times thinner than wafer solar cells. Therefore, they can be produced in bigger blocks and be more flexibly adapted to solar construction. The CIGS technology from Q cells uses no silicone at all. It counts as one of the most promising developments in the solar industry. We are working on a special procedure in cooperation with a Swedish partner. That's company Celebro in the background. The company Celebro produces the whole thing, and we gain a higher efficiency level than with the remaining thin film technologies. Now even Pope Benedict is apparently thinking of installing it on Peter's Cathedral. That really would be an award-winning technology. While on the subject of award-winning, with the Intersolar Award, groundbreaking products and services are honored in the categories photovoltaic and solar thermal. The winners were Skytron Energy, the Phoenix Solar AG, the PAW & Company KG, and the SMA Solar Technology AG. To sum up the first day of Intersolar 2008, innovative technologies and numerous professional visitors filled the exhibition halls. A successful debut for Munich, Germany, the new exhibition location. Carsten Koenig, the manager of German Solar Industry Association, agrees. It has exceeded our expectations. Munich as exhibition location is in another league. In my opinion, our move was overdue. How international it's all become is inspiring. Our German sector is displaying itself among healthy competition, and I hope that this continues over the next few days.
Ich hoffe, dass das die nächsten Tage so weitergeht.
Last year, the Intersolar took place in Freiburg. Due to the big increase in visitors and exhibitors, it was moved this year to Munich. The exhibitors' record of more than 1,000 exhibitors confirms that Intersolar is the biggest and most important trade fair for solar technology. We have asked some of the exhibitors what they are hoping for from the Intersolar 2008.
We expect to learn a lot from customers. What we've done is we've set up this booth with some technical specialists who have built a movie, who have shown how you can easily distribute solar panels and install them easily in the field. The people from the field are all of the people in the audience who come to the show, both during the business-to-business part of the show and then on Saturday when the general public comes, which is a lot of fun because the public asks very good questions and the technical professionals are going to be very helpful for us to make our products better and easier for them.
Well, from exhibition, usually we talk to our suppliers. So many of our suppliers come to here, and also we'll talk to our customers, new customers, new markets. So sometimes we sign contracts. So I think it's really excellent. I believe Intersolar will get bigger and bigger with time because we are convinced, and I believe solar is the future.
We have integrated Intersolar into a roadshow where we travel throughout Germany and introduce our new products to the public. We want to create our base here in order to build up sales and distribution in Germany. We are exhibiting for the first time at the fair, and we've been surprised at the crowds of visitors. Our origin is the automation fairs, and we're not used to so many people. This means for us it is already very successful, even in this short period of time.
Intersolar is the one most important show at any time of the year for people who want to come to understand where solar is going today and where clean energy is heading today. The German market has become the magnet for all of the innovations, for all of the creative people, and all of the business people thinking about how to bring down the cost of solar and how to make it affordable and accessible for people to use in their everyday lives.
The Intersolar shows clearly, solar technology is the new trend for the household as well as the industrial sector. The market is booming. New factories are being built, and so that the demand can be met at a reasonable price, the production is being increasingly automated. Synergies between solar technology and automation technology are also highlighted at the Munich Trade Fair, because running at the same time, right next to the Intersolar, is the Automatica, a trade fair for automation and robotics. Take a look at the teamwork of solar technology and robotics. So that was it for today on Intersolar TV. Tomorrow morning, we'll bring you more exciting subjects from the Intersolar 2008. Above all, solar thermal energy will be strongly featured. Till tomorrow, goodbye.